What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, Metamask is currently giving out airdrop to its users. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're a new user or an old user, as long as you are into cryptocurrency, you're actually entitled to this, guys. All right, so as you can see up here, guys, I currently have about 500 points right here just by completing some basic easy tasks over here. Okay, so as you can see up here, says season ends 52 days 1 hour 3 minutes. Okay, so if you're actually watching this video right now, you just have about 52 days 1 hour and 3 minutes to actually participate on this airdrop, to actually be part of the TGE, guys. Okay, which means the token generation event, when the tokens will be distributed to you and you can actually convert to whatsoever currency you actually want to convert and actually cash out your money. Okay, so that is basically what TGE means, guys. All right, so in this video today, guys, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can start participating on this airdrop right now and start getting points just like myself. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it, so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what we'll do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'd always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Metamask account dashboard right now. So guys, I actually created a brand new Metamask account just for the purpose of this video. Okay, so if you actually don't have a Metamask account, you can simply go over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store to actually download one for yourself right now and just quickly set it up, guys. Okay, the setup is quite easy. All right, so if you actually have an account before, all you simply do is go over to your Play Store or your Apple Store to actually update your account in order for you to be able to participate on the airdrop, guys. Okay, so that is basically what you need to do. All right, so when you're actually done doing that, you can just simply fund your account with, let's say, $2 or $3 or even as low as $1 USDT, guys. Okay, so how can you fund your account? So guys, it's quite easy. Okay, you can simply come over to this plus sign right here and just hit on it. Okay, and up here that says Ethereum, you can simply select the blockchain you actually want to use, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on it right now and just select BNB, guys. Okay, BNB chain. All right, and down below here that says search tokens, you can just simply come here to search for USDT. Okay, USDT. All right, so this is it. As you can see, USDT Theta under the BNB blockchain. I'm going to hit on it right now and just hit on next right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on import. All right, so that is basically how you can add a token right here to actually make a deposit, guys. Okay, so I'm going to refresh right now and just see if it's going to be on my balance. As you can see, I currently have Theta USD on my dashboard right now. Okay, so that is basically how you can import any token of your choice using your preferred blockchain, guys. Okay, so that is it. So right now that you have actually done this, you can simply just hit on Theta USD, okay, and just hit on this place right here that says receive. Okay, and just copy your address and go over to your crypto exchange to send in some money right here, maybe $1 USDT, $2 USDT, or whatever amount you have. You can just simply send it right here. I'm going to be showing you the reason why you need to do that very soon. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. So that is basically how you can send in money right here into your Metamask account using whatsoever token of your choice. Okay, so when you're actually done doing that, the next step would be over here that actually shows this Metamask sign that says rewards. You just simply hit on the rewards button right here, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. So as you can see over here, it says season 1 is live, endpoints for your activity, advanced true levels to unlock rewards. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says claim 250 points. I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Okay, so the next step right here says you will earn 250 points when you sign up. Okay, and it says use your referral code to earn 250 more. All right, so guys, my referral code is going to be on the screen right now. So just simply use my referral code so you actually get access to 250 points, and I myself is also going to get some points for referring you guys. Okay, so I'm going to paste my code right here. I'm going to paste it. So this is my code right here, guys. Okay, so over here that says claim points, I'm going to hit on claim points. It's going to give me some points right now, so let's just wait and see. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says start earning points, add your account so you can track your rewards at a glance. Okay, so you can simply add an account if you actually have several accounts, so you can actually earn more points for yourself. Okay, so that is it. So as you can see right now, guys, I currently have 500 points because I actually used a referral code. They gave me 250 points and they gave me extra 250 points for using someone's referral code. Okay, so make sure you use my referral code to get an extra 250 points for yourself, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here, all these are tasks to complete to actually get more points for yourself. As you can see, this one right here says 1.5x points for swaps to MUSD. Okay, and this one says 2x points for swaps on linear. Okay, so guys, the reason why I told you to actually send in some money into your account is basically because of this, tax right here, guys. Okay, so you can just simply hit on it if you actually have some, amount of money on your account and just swap. Okay, you can just simply select the token you actually want to use. Let's say you actually send some Ethereum, you can use Ethereum. If you send some, USDT, just simply hit on the Ethereum and find USDT. As you can see, just simply hit on it and then can just swap. Okay, so when you actually swap, you get 1.5x point for swaps. Okay, and also when you swap to linear, you get 2x points. So that is basically, the activities right here. And these are other ways to earn right here. It is swap 8 points per 10. Okay, as you can see, when you actually use 10 USDT, you get 8 points. When you swap, as you can see right here, when you swap with all the supported networks right here, you get 8 points per 10 USDT. Okay, so that does not mean that your money will be taken. No, guys, your money is not going to be taken. You still have your money. You can also swap back if you want, but you just simply need to swap to get points. That is basically what they mean. Okay, and over here that says perps, as you can see, it is 10 points per $100 order value. Okay, so when you actually use an $100 order value for swapping, you get 10 points, guys. Okay, and over here says refer friends, and it says 10 points per 50 from friends. Okay, so when you actually refer friends, guys, you get 10 points. That is it. Okay, if you actually want to refer your friends, you just simply hit on the refer friends section right here, and then you hit on the space right here that says refer a friend. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says share your code to earn more. Your friends get a 2x sign up bonus. You get 10 points for every 50 they earn from trading. Okay, so as you can see, this is your referral code and this is your referral link. So you can just simply copy whichever one you actually want to copy and just refer a friend right here. So that is basically how you can refer a friend. So over here it says loyalty bonus and it says endpoint from past trades. Okay, so let's say you have actually performed some trade here before. You can actually earn from that based on the fact that you're actually an old, trader right here. Okay, so that is basically what they mean. And down here that is Metamask card, it says 1 point per $1 spent. Okay, so you actually get 1 point per $1 spent using your Metamask card. Okay, so these are the ways in which you can actually be a part of the Metamask airdrop, guys. Okay, it's quite easy. All right, so make sure not to snooze on this, guys. This is actually the update for now. More updates will be coming on the Metamask airdrop as we proceed, guys. Okay, so guys, this is all for this video. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever I actually upload amazing videos like this one you just watched right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.